Hello, I'm Zahra. I hope everything is fine with you. We are in Moodle MM14 week 1 and I want to explain different features of Rich Editor on Moodle. In order to go to the Rich Editor with all these features that you see in this picture, first of all we should open a new discussion topic to get to the discussion box. Okay. As you see here, this discussion topic includes one subject line with required field and one message box with the required. Both of them are required fields, and this means that I always have to add one subject. So let me call it Rich Editor on Moodle, or features of Rich Editor. Features of Rich Editor on Moodle. Good. This is the subject, and then let's go to the discussion box. As you see here, the discussion box, when you open it, is seen in this way. You see paragraphing style, you see bold, italicizing, inserting or removing bulleted list, numbered list, and linking, adding pictures, emoticons, and videos, files, audio and video. But if you click on this toolbar toggle, two other lines of features open in front of you. For instance, doing, undoing, underlining, strike through, and superscripting, aligning to left, right, and center, and decreasing indentation. And this one is very interesting. This helps you type in colored font or give you highlight for background. And also these are directions left, right, and inserting non-breaking space characters, inserting special characters, tables, and recording MP3, audio, video, drawing a picture, and taking a screenshot or picture. Here on the first line also we could insert video recording and insert audio recording, but here in these two options we can record directly in this message box. Font families are something that I really like to play with. Font sizes, editing HTML sources, finding something, a search tool, and replacing things, and clean up messy code. In this part we can remove formatting and pasting as plain text, and also since this format is one of these HTML ones that I explained in my previous recording, in my previous video, if we want to paste something not like this as a plain text but as our HTML one, we should open this box and paste it here and then insert it. I will show you these ones one by one. We can also toggle full screen mode. Look, this is the full screen mode, and let me find, oh yeah, again by clicking on it we go back to our own mode, and some mathematical equations and chemistry formula. Okay, so let's see how we can work with them. I want to type something, for example, Moodle MM14. Okay. Let me put them in italic. So now I want to make it bold, italicize it, change the paragraphing style and heading, changing the size of the font and also font families. Let me color it. I color the font as red, and now I want to give it a highlight background. Look. Okay. Let's go back to our color for the new things, and then I want to write something else. Editor. Oops. I shouldn't have selected it as black. Okay, let me just go to one website and try to copy and paste something. My uploads. Okay, I want to paste it here. See, it tells me currently not supported by your browser. Use keyboard shortcuts instead. Okay, I know that I have to come to this window and paste it here, and then insert it. As you see, everything is here now. I don't want these ones. Okay. And now let me see if I can insert a picture. Yes. Let's find a picture to insert. Good. I've got many of these things. Okay. I chose the file. Now I should click on the upload this file. I also could select from those other parts. Okay, now you see the picture seems to be a little big. We've got two tabs here, appearance and advanced. In the tab appearance, I can set the size, for instance 150. Okay, I insert it. And let's take a look at the advanced tab. I'm not going to make any changes in it, so based on the changes I've made in the size of the photo, I click on it to insert. It asks me whether or not I want to add any description to my photo. Well, I'm not going to add any description to it, so I click on the OK. Now see, my picture is here. And I also could change the size by just doing that, and then change, draw these corners. But here I don't know why it's not working. Now let's go to recording MP3 directly from the editor. Okay, after recording, press insert after uploading. Okay, I've got record button, play button, and upload button. Insert, cancel. Hello everyone, welcome to Moodle MM14. Good. I recorded it and pressed stop, and now I want to play it to see if it's okay. Hello everyone, welcome to Moodle MM14. Good, now it's ready to be uploaded. Let's see when the uploading is completed. Uploading 100% successfully, and now the button insert is activated. I insert it. Here it is. And I think when I go back to the message, the shape will be different. Well, let's see what other features. Yes, I also love emoticons. They give more colors to the text and more motivation to students. I always use them. Unfortunately, my own Moodle does not have them, does not support it. My admin is not really interested. Okay, I also am able to add a video or add and embed a file. For adding a video, I may embed it directly, but it exerts a lot of pressure on the server, so we should add links. How we add links? First of all, you should have something written here, for example, video or any other word. Then click on it. By clicking on it, these three buttons related to links are activated. Now let's find what shall I find? Let's find one video. Oh yeah, one of my own videos. I can share one of my own links. Let me find it. You can also find a link from YouTube or any other cloud storage. Okay, now I want to paste this link on my page. Okay, I click on the word. These are activated. The first one is for inserting link that I want to do. This one unlinks it, and this one does not allow, prevents the system from automatic linking. But I have to do now only with inserting it. By inserting it, this window opens. I do not have anything to do with other tabs, only here, link URL. I paste my URL here. Okay, my URL is now here. I insert it. Now this word video is activated. So let's see how these things look after we go out of the message. So you realize that we used the rich editor for a lot of purposes, including adding links, recording audio and video, etc. Okay, you want to see how your message looks. You come back, just click on this number that is activated. Now I have no Android messages, so this part is not activated. Only this, my own message, is activated. I enter my own message. Look at my message. My writings, my picture, emoticons, video. Look, this is video, and unfortunately my voice is not seen here. I don't know what has happened to it, but let's go to my video. It doesn't show the player here. You should insert from YouTube to see the player on the page. Okay, I should log in and go back to my video. And for the moment, I would like to, oops, not this one, sorry. I would like to delete this message, so again I enter it. I have time to delete or edit it, but this message is just for showing you how I use the editor. So I come here, press delete. It asks me to confirm whether or not I want to delete. Yes, continue please. I want to delete it. Good. Okay, this was all about using rich editor in Moodle. Thank you so much for your attention and have a nice time.